Hi! In front of me is TCL 30SE, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. You need to begin by opening Galley App and then holding one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now, instead of tapping on all of them, click on those icons at the top right corners. As you can see, after that, all of my pictures from here were successfully selected. Now to delete them, click on this bin at the top right corner and then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!